Today, I'll be showing you guys how to paint your toenails turquoise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your toenails silver and turquoise. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the cards and the end screen. Now, add glitter to the silver polish. Now, add the silver tape. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.